Watson elevator. That's my umbrella. Pardon me, guys, but I just got lucky to see this thing. Unfortunately, the other elevator, I don't think it works. I love the relay. Hear the generator on this thing, cool. This is a Watson, nice. First Watson elevator ever. Oh, I think B is locked off, so. Okay, well, still cool, actually. This is another one of these rare finds here in New York City. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get into every single one of them because most of these buildings are apartments and they're secure, and I don't typically just walk in like this, but some I'll make an exception. See if R works. Does B work? Oh yes, R does work, nice. Coming down? Yep.
You live up at the penthouse?
Huh?
You live in the penthouse?
No, I'm just admiring the elevator. I'll leave after I'm done. Okay, yeah, walk around. This is a beautiful elevator. I just like visualizing old historic elevators.
There's a downside of these. They can be scary sometimes.
Yeah.
Once you kind of just stop abruptly on the way up. So I'm always a little scared of this elevator.
This is bottom drive traction.
Oh, really?
All right, have a great rest of the day.
Oh, yes, you do.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and end it on 1 because I don't want to be seen suspicious here. Anyways, these are your fixtures. Love the relays. One last cab view, then we're gonna close this thing up and get out of here. All right, there it goes, and that's it.